Continue guys. Install na po yung wiring natin. This one. As you can see, yung wire natin is not it because I'm using a generic power supply. Ito yung banded. So, yun nga, tipid-tipid with this one. But, I'm giving it a full blast for it is the latest one. Not the latest, not maybe the latest, but yun nga, sabi ko, we're using the SSD, we have installed the memory, and then yung wires that appear for the board. Okay, so next natin is install natin yung para maging maganda to. So yung RGB lights natin sa ating pinkish casing. Okay, wait. Okay, install natin. So install natin ito yung this one. So flow sa air filters. So walang from flow dito sa flow outside dito. So sa lang napasok pa hangin. Ginaw. So tap air inside. Dalawa yung higop para labas. Okay. So ito yung setup ko. Sorry for the cable management up here, pero at least it's a cheaper type with this one. So we'll try to hook it up if mag-function ba to or supply ba. Yes, no? For the moment it's good. And then we'll try to check if may mag-boot up dito sa ating. Ayan. Boot up. Wow! So guys, access. Nabuboot up siya. And look at that. Beauty. Simple lang. So again, the airflow here, pasok. And then, itong dalawa, palabas. So binabalanse ko lang. Simple and pink. Okay. Pusin na ako sa installation guys ng Windows. Okay, be back.